If you are a content creator and you are not using playlist, you are literally leaving views, watch time and subscribers on the table. Let me explain. You see, YouTube rewards content that keeps people watching, and playlists do exactly that. They guide your viewers from one video to the next without them even thinking twice. It's like creating your own Netflix experience right on your channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a playlist step by step, and more importantly, I'll tell you why this one simple tool could be the key to growing your channel fast, whether you're just starting out or already posting consistently. This one small habit can make a big difference. Let's jump in, and by the end of this video, you will not only know how to create a playlist, but you will know how to use it like a pro to increase your watch time, SEO, and engagement. Welcome to Learn with Peter. I'm talking about the importance of a playlist. What is a playlist? A playlist is a compilation of similar videos under one rack, or we could say it's a compilation of similar videos under one catalog. If we use terminologies relating to a library for a playlist, catalog and playlist is almost similar. Have a variety of things, but are in one direction, talking about one topic or one subject matter. That's what we call a playlist. Every channel that is created needs to have a playlist. Some of the configurations you must do on your channel, or settings you must do on your channel is one, optimization. After optimization, the next is the creation of a playlist. Yeah. What then is the importance of a playlist? A playlist helps to increase your retention rate. In other words, it keeps the viewer stuck or glued to the video. Let me not use the word stuck because it's not a negative thing. It is a positive thing. It is an advantage to a channel. So when you create a playlist, your viewers want to watch more and more of your content. As soon as one is ending, the other follows it immediately. And what does that do for you indirectly? One, it helps to improve your retention rate. Another thing, if you are working towards monetization, or like you want to monetize your channel, one thing that a playlist does is that it helps to increase your watch hours. In other words, the viewer sees this set of videos that are similar. I was like, wow, oh, let me watch. And see, the person is there with his popcorn and is watching, spending much time. The advantage to you is that it improves your retention rate. Yes. So every channel needs a playlist. Whether you're into entertainment, whether you're into religious, whether you're into content creation tips, like an idea of playlist, like on my channel, I did things like YouTube tips, YouTube growth tips. Another I said creators corner. Maybe like I have other similar creators like me. I create videos that maybe we are hanging out, things like that. I talk about Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, TikTok marketing. Those are names of playlists. Or alternatively, if you are finding difficult to get an idea for playlist, how do you get an idea for playlist? You could consult ChatGPT or Meta AI. Just simply type the prompt, "Hello ChatGPT, my content is based on YouTube growth. I want you to give me 5 playlists which falls into this category." And ChatGPT was going to give you titles for playlists that you're going to use. Then after this, I'll be showing you how to create a playlist with a screen record. I'd like you to go and watch that screen record. It will come in immediately after this. So when I want to create a playlist, there is a way to create it, and it just happens within split of seconds. Just some few settings you just need to do. That's all about playlist. Alright, let's go to the screen recording now. Right now I'm on my YouTube app on that particular channel, which is Peter Reacts. Go and subscribe to this channel. I want to go and create playlist for this channel now. I'll scroll down. See that plus sign close to where my profile is. I'll click new playlist. And then I'll write the title of the playlist. Type it in. I'm using ideas suggested to me by ChatGPT. So the name of this playlist is Viral Reaction. The earth broke the internet. Alright, next thing is that I will save it. I'll save it. So the next thing I'll click create. Before that, I put it on public. I on the collaborate in case somebody wants to collaborate with me on this playlist. So I've clicked that and it's saved already. So after I save, I need to go and update the description. There's some people that want to know what this playlist is about. I want to further read. I click that pencil icon. You can see the description. And I write what this playlist is about in the description. That's how I'll go about it. So this playlist is safe for trending, shocking, or sensational videos. Clips that everyone is talking about. And then I'll click done. So the description has been updated. I'll click save. And this is the voting. I put it in everyone. Okay, good. And then I'll click save. So that playlist has been created. Alright, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.